You know what? So currently I'm not really feeling that well. Actually, I'm sick and really exhausted. So that's why this is just gonna be a really short video. But hey, this is April 21st, 2025, and this is gonna be day 287 of consistently helping people build consistency. When we are talking about how to be consistent at doing something, like exercising, studying, practicing your art, anything, the thing that we need to be asking here is why cannot we be consistent? Okay, what is the biggest obstacle? What's the biggest problem? I believe one of the biggest problem is basically we don't know what is the thing that we are going to be doing. Let me explain. Here's the thing. I'm speaking from my own personal experience, but I'm pretty sure that this is going to be pretty much relatable for lots of you guys out there. Let's say I just, got really motivated because I just watched some motivational video. And then I tell myself that, hey, you know what? I need to, study every single day. Or maybe like, I need to exercise every single day because I want to be healthy. And yeah, I want to look good in the mirror, blah, 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 blah. And then, on day one, I did like 100 push ups and feel really good. But then the next day, I only did like 50. Okay. Well, which is actually still good, but bear with me. And then the next day, I only did like 30. Okay. And then on day four, right, the next day, I didn't do it because I tell myself that, hey, I'm really busy today. And then on day five, I forgot, right? I forgot to do my exercise. And then on day six, I kind of tell myself that, you know what, this is not going to work. Like I'm not motivated anymore. Let's just stop doing this thing. Let's just, move on with life and basically stop exercising. Okay, we do not want this to happen. Okay, so here's the thing. Notice that one of the biggest reason, right? One of the biggest reason why on day six, I choose to stop, right? I choose to stop exercising is because I kind of tell myself something like this. Oh, you know what? I keep on decreasing, okay, from day one. On day one, I can do like 100 and then I keep on decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. There's no point, right? There's no point in continuing because, you know, I'm not really doing anything at all. I just keep on decreasing. So again, basically, the problem here, I believe the problem here lies within the definition of what is considered to be exercising. Because I never defined what is considered to be exercising, right? I only, do exercise as much as I can. Okay, on day one, 100, on day two, only 50, on day three, only like 30, right? I never have a clear plan of what is considered to be exercising, of what is considered to be enough exercising. I only exercise without having any clear plan whatsoever. So notice this is going to be really problematic. I mean, like, what type of exercise am I going to be doing? How many minutes am I going to be spending my time doing the exercise every single day? How can I even be consistent at doing something if I don't even have an idea, a clear idea of what is the thing that I wanted to be consistent at? Okay. And notice when we don't have a clear idea like this, right? You know, big chances we are going to be having no direction. And when we don't have any clear direction like this, we are going to be questioning our commitment. We are going to be questioning our dedication. Why? Because we don't know how much exercising is enough exercising. Okay. We don't know whether we are actually managed to, we don't have a clear indicator to tell ourselves that, hey, you know what? I actually still sticking to my plan. Okay. We don't have that thing. Okay. So comparatively, when we just set on a really clear definition of what is considered to be exercising and, or maybe like studying, of what is considered to be exercising, it's going to be really good. Okay, so let me example why it's so sorry. So let me explain why it's going to be good. Here's the thing. Let's say I want to make something, right? I want to make my plan extremely clear. What do? I'm going to be making the plan extremely specific and also measurable. Okay, so instead of just saying that, oh, you know what, yeah, I'm gonna exercise, I'm gonna be saying something specific. So, for example, running. I'm gonna be doing some running. I'm gonna be doing, running, which is specific, and also I'm gonna be making it measurable. 5 minutes of running every single day, for example, like that. Okay, this is not medical advice. This disclaimer. For example, like 5 minutes of running every single day. Okay, when I make things extremely specific and clear like this, one, right, why it's good, one, is that because it's good because I don't have to spend my time and mental energy anymore on a day-to-day basis thinking of what is the thing that we are going to be doing, that I'm going to be doing. Because notice we tend to spend so much time and energy just doing, like the thinking, doing the deciding. We don't do the thing at the end of the day because we just procrastinate so much. We just think so much. Okay, that's one thing. But then the second thing here is that when I just make it really clear like this, okay, I'm gonna be having a really, right, really clear notion of what is considered to be enough. Okay, I'm gonna be having a clear daily personal target. And what's happened when I have a really clear daily target? This is the thing that's going to happen. I'm gonna be thinking like, oh, you know what? I said that I'm gonna be doing 5 minutes of running. I actually did the 5 minutes of running, which I can actually, validate. Oh yeah, 5 minutes of running. I actually did that. I can actually say that, oh, you know what? I actually did the thing that I said that I'm going to be doing. Okay. Basically, it creates some sense of, some feeling of accomplishment that, hey, you know what? I did it. Okay. It brings the sense of confidence that not only that this is something that's, realistic to do, but I also choose, right? I also choose with my willpower to actually do it because, hey, you know what? I can just choose to be lazy and not do it, but I do, but I still do the 5 minutes of running, right? Basically, it creates the confidence, the self fulfillment, like the sense of accomplishment that, hey, you know what? I'm actually making it, okay? And, the self questioning, the self doubting our commitment isn't going to happen this way because we can precisely know that, hey, we can precisely know and precisely say that, hey, you know what? I've made it. I've made it. I fulfill my target, right? Maybe it's only like 5 minutes every single day, but hey, I fulfill my own words. I make some, I make some progress. I stick even on the days when I'm not feeling motivated. Okay, basically, it's create the confidence that, hey, I can actually do it. And actually, over time, this is going to compound. Okay, let's say you've made it to day 30. You are going to be thinking like, oh, you know what? Not only that I can actually do this thing, I've been actually fulfilling this thing, fulfilling my own words for the past 30 days. And guess what? If I can do it for like the past 30 days, I'm also going to be doing it on day 31, on day 32, on day 33, 33, and so on and so on. Basically, it creates the confidence. The confidence make us, think that we can actually do it on the next day. Okay, it basically gives us a confident boost to actually do that thing. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something by making it extremely clear so that you know that you are actually making it on a day-to-day basis, building that confidence and sense of accomplishment, right? Really practical. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, join our Discord, and thank you for watching. And what do you say? You can support my long-form videos like this. Actually, I kind of, in the beginning I said that this is going to be a short video, right? I end up talking for like 8 minutes and stuff. So yeah, if you want to support my long form videos like this, you can support me on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. And thank you so much. I'll really appreciate that. Join our Discord. Thank you for watching. And for today's date, Authenticity Post, today's April 21st, 2025. And memes are today's posted a chicken jockey post last 24 hours. But this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I need to edit it first. Thank you so much.